Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals, wheelchair vehicle specialist with our head office in Sydney, Australia. This is a 2015 Nissan NV 200, built in factory to be used as a wheelchair accessible vehicle. So the suspension is specifically built to carry a wheelchair and the occupant inside, and the ramp fitment is an exact fit for this vehicle. It has a white exterior with black trim and automatic side step on the left sliding door. The rear has a lightweight aluminium ramp which extends and slides out, as you can see. And here you can see the OEM belts and the aftermarket oval pockets which Integrity has engineered into the van to meet ADRs. The middle seats are fixed to the floor with 4 bolts which can also be removed to give more room for the wheelchair, so the interior space is functional and adaptable to individual needs. All Integrity vehicles are engineered and complied to Australian standards, and they all receive a Safety Compliance Certification Scheme certificate. We can customise the interior to fit your particular wheelchair by changing the positioning of the oval floor pockets if needed. We welcome you to bring your OT with you when viewing our cars so you can ensure correct placement of the floor pockets for yourself and your particular wheelchair. We have 3 different types of restraint that you can use depending on your preference and the size of your wheelchair. Here we are putting a Q-straint retractor into an oval pocket at the front of the wheelchair. The retractors go on both sides and the hook on the belt gets hooked onto the wheelchair position. Here you can see the restraint being putting on the oval pocket. They simply lift and slide on and off the oval pocket. There's a red switch on the retractor. Simply release the belt by pushing on the switch. Tighten the belt by turning the knobs on the sides of the retractor as seen. The wheelchair position has a shoulder belt which comes from the roof and a lap belt also. Designed to be a commercial and passenger van, the NV 200 won International Van of the Year 2010, and it's easy to see why. It has a square shape which makes the interior roomy and spacious. Features central locking, power windows and mirrors, tinted windows, aircon, reverse camera. Integrity can install a touchscreen stereo system with GPS and Bluetooth which can pair to your smartphone if required. It's a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder automatic petrol. For more information on this vehicle or to view our other wheelchair accessible vehicles, please go to www.icsar.com.au or call 1300 WellCab.